Hello, friends and non-friends. One of your favorite videos is April. It is my birthday month. Forgive me if you see this late, but I'm going to try to get it up because I am going out of town for my birthday. And I do plan on enjoying myself. So I'm going to try to upload this video and do everything so I can just hit publish. Okay, I'm going to try because I know y'all be waiting. All right, so in March, we were in this beautiful Dooney and Burt bag that I was gifted. I absolutely love it. Dooney is very heavy. There's some quality, y'all. I got to do better because it's heavy. And I had some stuff in here. Y'all can see some stuff, okay? I want to carry my Louis for my birthday because I haven't carried it in a while. I always forget about her. I really want to get a Louis tote. And I think I'm just going to save up and invest in a Louis tote bag that I can carry every day. Because the top handle bags, like these top handle bags, I'm a tote girl. And the reason being is because these top handle bags really get heavy to me. So, I want to carry this because I haven't carried it in a while. I already put me a sanitizer pocket back on here. I already had this on here from before. We're going to see if we can do it because Louis don't give you a lot of room, y'all. Okay? It don't. I have this Louis pouch that I've had for a while. I have this wallet that I was gifted from someone. It's not the ziplet wallet, but I think I can make it work because it has, let me get some more light. Because it has like, see how I can get the money and the cards out? I'm going to try to make it work, and it has this one. Let's see, y'all. And then I have this, but the Louis doesn't give me much room to figure out what I want to do. So it's definitely going to have to be some downsizing. Okay, let's get stuff out of my bag. We got gum. I'm not gonna be able to do too many pouches in that Louis, so I gotta be creative. We got lip products and lip pencils. We don't need both gums. How much gum I got in here? We don't need both gums, so I already know we're not gonna carry both gums. I'm gonna pull all my receipts out so I can go through them later. This is the wallet I was carrying, the Dooney and Burt wallet. I'm gonna try to switch to the Louis wallet. The checkbook, I'm going to try to fit in the, I see that the wallet has like, I'm going to try to figure out how to incorporate the checkbook in there to save me some room. We got some dollars. Got a snack that I had. This has my additional cards in it that I don't carry in my wallet. If you're new to my channel, you know how you have all these extra cards, and I like how it flips out and I can grab it with my long nails. I did get this off of Amazon. They had different characters, but it's just so I don't have to have all these cards in my main wallet. We got some happy birthday coupons and lady items, so we're going to check that out, make sure they're not expired. Oh, Lord, I don't know what I'm going to do. All this stuff is not going to fit. Y'all, we gonna have to downsize. Huh? We gonna have to my keys. We gonna have to downsize. Because we gonna do it. We gonna do it. We gonna make it happen. We gonna make it happen. If you didn't see my Try Treats video, I have these candies from Colombia that I have in my purse, like in case I get hangry. Or y'all know sometimes I don't eat breakfast. I'm not a breakfast person. I'm just a coffee in the morning person. So sometimes going to church and stuff like that, I'll start to get hungry. And then I have these little candies. So if you haven't seen the Try Treats video, check it out. I got gift cards. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. AirPods and an extra charger. Y'all, we're going to have to figure it out. We gonna have to figure it out. Maybe some stuff that I feel like I desperately need, I could put in my work bag. And I know somebody asked for a work bag video. I'm gonna try to do it. I keep my work bag in my car, so I may have to do the work bag video from the car. I keep my work bag in my car so that it's always in there. I don't know. Thank the Jesus nobody ever tried to get in there and get it. Ain't nothing in it but papers and stuff if they got in there. But I may have to do that from my car. But we definitely gonna have to downsize. because, all right, I'll take the charms off this bag in a momento. Here's our mess. Lord have mercy. Let's do the wallet first. Let's see if we can do the wallet. Let's see, because if not, I'm gonna have to get a different wallet. Okay, we're gonna try to do the wallet. Try to do the wallet, y'all. All right, let's get our cash out. We're gonna try to put the cash. See, I have to put my cash in. All right, we might put the cards over there. Okay, cash. Okay, I need this cash. I need this cash for, oh, there's a card, for something. So I'm gonna put this in with the checkbook because I need this cash for something today, and I don't need to be messing that up. All right, my regular cards. I'll put this in here off camera because I might make a mistake and show y'all something. All right, we gonna get it together. So I put my cards in there. I got cash in here and my checkbook in this part. So we're gonna see if we can make this work. Okay, now let's go to the gift cards. To the gift cards, I wonder, see, Louis don't give you, oh, they give you a little pocket. It's a little tiny pocket. And I don't think the gift cards are going to fit. I didn't know I had a Starbucks card. I got another Starbucks card. I didn't know that. Okay. I got a Victoria's Secret card. It is good till May 20th. And Five Below. All right. All right. Yeah, we're going to have a card issue. Because I don't want these cards in with my other cards. That's just entirely too much digging. Maybe I can put them in here. I'm going to put these cards in here. We're going to see how this works out. I'm going to put my gift cards, my other cards in here. Let me see what other cards I have. All right, let's see. This card. I'm doing these cards off camera, y'all. Because I make a mistake and y'all have all my business. All right. All right, we put like all kinds of gift cards or whatever in there. We're going to see if that works. So we got this wallet. We got the regular wallet. Got $2. I'm going to leave this out so it can go in the glove box of my car. So what I normally do, I keep singles in the glove box of my car. And when I pull up to a red light, if there is a homeless person there, I give them the singles. So I want to put the singles in the glove box, not in my wallet. And I only do it like if I'm nudged to do it. Like, I don't know what y'all believe in, but if I feel like I'm being led to give them some money, then I'm going to give them some money. So I don't do it all the time. I don't do it at every red light. But it's like if I feel like I need to give it to this particular person, that's who I'm going to give it to. All right. So we definitely need lip products. All right. Y'all. So I think it'd be better if I go ahead and try to see how much room I actually have in the bag, okay? So I have my wallet. And the card bag, I'm just going to put to the side. You know what I'm saying? Like, not in the purse organizer. The 2 cards, the penguin and that, can go to the side. Okay. So, I have an organizer in here so I can stand stuff up. So, let's just stand up the lippies. And I'll take the tripod off so y'all can see. I'm going to stand up the lippies. I'm going to stand up the pins and straw. Problem with this is if your purse falls over, but it is what it is. Okay. I'm going to put my candy in a little pocket at the top so I know exactly where it is. I'm going to put the AirPods in here. All right. I have a mirror. I have lotion, a mirror, a charger, the book, the spray. I'll put that on this side. And what we're going to try to do is downsize this stuff into this pouch. And you know, oh, I got stuff in here. So, we're going to keep a lady wipe. We're going to keep our earrings. I'm almost done with this. I'm going to stand this up in here because I want to be done with it. You definitely need glue if you wear nails. Lotion that I need to use up. I keep saying I'm going to put that lotion on my desk, and I get to work and I never put it on my desk. And it's not going to fit in here. We're going to keep our pill bottle. And we're going to keep 2 cough drops. Going to keep 2. So in here, pill bottle, lady item, earrings, nail glue. We are just not going to be able to put everything in there. Okay? All right. We got our Dior gloss. We're going to put next to that lotion. And gum. You got to have gum. Okay. Straw. I have the other straw in there. I always keep an emergency lady item, and I'm going to keep my snack bar. Okay. The rest of this stuff is not going to be able to go back in there. It's just not, because it's just not going to fit. It is what it is. I can only perform miracles. So, let me show y'all the bag. Because the rest of that stuff is just, it's just not going to fit. Not going to fit. All right. So, this is, let me take it off the tripod. Hold on, y'all. All right. So, this is what we're looking at. I put the candies in this little part right there so I know exactly what it is, where it is. So, on the side over here is where I have the penguin, the lady item, that pouch with all my gift cards, and my snack. Okay, so in the middle, I'm so grateful that wallet worked. We'll see how it does with my nails. But over here, I have the wallet that has my check register in it. I have the other wallet with my personal items. I have the journal, the poo spray, the mirror, and my charger there, and the gum. And along the middle, I was able to put all of my lip products and lip liners. Here's all my pens, my stylus, and my straw. And here's my lotion and my Dior gloss. So this is what it's looking like on the inside. The AirPods fell over here on the side. That's okay. I know where they at. The purse has room, but it doesn't have room. You understand what I'm saying? It has room, but you got to really make it fit. I'm trying not to keep my purses too heavy because, like I said, the top carry bags can be heavy. Like you walking through the store, and I notice there's a lot of pull on my shoulders and wrists with the top. So that's why I'm mostly a tote girl. When y'all see me with totes, I'm mostly a tote girl. Someone did ask me about the pink collection with Coach. I already had my husband get me my birthday gifts. And one of them is a Coach, but not from the pink collection. So I'm going to wait till after I come back from vacation with him, unless we already out and in the store and he says I can grab it. I'm going to wait till after I come back to check out the pink Coach collection. I'm pretty sure me and him will do some shopping while we're gone, but I don't know if it's going to be a Coach outlet where we're going. So, and I'll show y'all clips and pieces of where I'm going, but I'm going to enjoy my vacation. And I don't want to put too much on social media because, like I said, the non-friends is out here. But I'm going to look at the pink Coach collection and see what's what. But I already got on the way a bag and some shoes. So hopefully that pink collection have a coupon or a percentage off so I can get it. And to the young lady that sent me the Coach jean double zip wallet, thank you. I'm looking at that as well, but I need to wait till I come back from vacation because your girl finna spend some money. I'm finna enjoy myself. I'm finna have a good time. And I'll get y'all some clips and pieces, but I'll holler at y'all when I get back. Love ya.